Recently, under the cover of darkness, a secret operation took place, and the Battleship Texas was moved from its pier at Gulf Copper to a new mooring just south of its last known position. Unfortunately, there was no public information released of this impending move. Therefore, there is no known footage of this move available to the public at this time. In all seriousness, per the Foundation website, the battleship was moved to a more economical location with a reduced daily rate to continue its ongoing restoration. And let me tell you, progress is really becoming visible on the top side as the new decking is steadily moving from the bow to the stern. At this time, reopening of the ship to the public is projected to happen in late 2025 or early 2026. For the rest of this video, I will cover the stern of the ship and also come along the port side with a full scan of the deck. I hope you enjoy.